Imagine a house as a living thing with multiple ways to resist, absorb, and channel moisture to maintain its well-being. When properly maintained, water is a benefit and a pleasure. When uncontrolled, it causes damage, expense, and considerable inconvenience, including mold growth, rotting wood, and structural damage. A house manages water through 4 key functions. First, it repels excess water through its envelope or skin, roof to foundation surfaces designed to shed water. Second, it absorbs and then releases moisture constantly to maintain a healthy balance. Third, it's transporting piped water through a complex maze of supply and drain lines. And fourth, it needs a firm, dry foundation as its base. Most moisture problems fall into predictable categories. Roof and flashing problems cause leaks around penetrations like chimneys and vents and skylights. Gutter and downspout issues force water where it shouldn't go. Ice dams from inadequate insulation that force water back under the shingles. Window and door sealing failures allow wind-driven moisture penetration. Foundation problems, well, they include grade changes that direct water toward rather than away from the building, clogged weep holes that prevent moisture escape, and groundwater collection from poor drainage. Recent landscaping modifications often create new drainage problems, and automatic sprinklers may spray too close to the foundation walls. Interior problems, well, they can include plumbing leaks from fixtures and appliances and pipe failures that may go undetected inside walls. And condensation, well, that can form on windows, pipes, inside improperly built walls. And HVAC systems need maintenance to prevent clogged drain pans, iced cooling coils, and excessive humidity from poorly maintained humidifiers. Some pumps need routine testing, checks, and backup systems, especially in high groundwater areas. Soffits and fascia damage allow water and weather into the attics, and flat roof drains, well, they can clog and hold dangerous loads of water. Metal piping, they can corrode. Hanging heavy items from pipes can cause failures too. Understanding these common failure modes helps inspectors systematically evaluate moisture control systems rather than just hoping to see and catch some obvious problems. Each component, roof, walls, foundation, drainage, plumbing, they all got to work together for effective moisture management. So during your home inspections, you want to think systematically about how each component affects overall moisture control. Look for signs that indicate system coordination problems, not just individual component failures. Your comprehensive understanding helps clients prioritize repairs and prevent cascading moisture problems.